What's up, guys? It's your girl Steph here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, season 3 is having a lot of variety to it. I like it. Anyway, today's video is going to be a little different. We are in Miami, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, one of my favorite cities, places in the absolute world. And I am in the fitness center right now, and I know you're like, it doesn't look like a ship fitness center. It's not, because we are not on a ship right now. We are transshipping to the freedom of the seas. And if you want to learn about transshipping, go back and watch yesterday's video when I flew from the Navigator of the Seas from Los Angeles directly to Miami so that we can pick up the freedom of the seas tomorrow here in Miami. But today I've got the day off, and it's just gonna be a day in my life and what I do when I have an overnight in Miami and I have nothing to do. I'm so excited to share my day with you. It's gonna be random. I don't have anything planned, which is normally the schedule. I don't plan anything, so who knows what kind of shenanigans we're gonna get into. But before we get into it, you know how we do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Let's get into this day in my life in Miami. So right now we're in the fitness center. I flew in last night about 9 o'clock. I got to my hotel, took a shower, ordered some wings, went to bed. So now I'm up, I'm ready to start the day. I'm gonna show you all the fitness center. This is one of my favorite hotels to stay at in Miami. As you can see, look at this view. Like, look at this view you get from the machine. It don't get no better than that. So this is the Marriott Biscayne Bay Hotel, and I planned on vlogging this hotel for you guys all day long, showing you the whole hotel, the restaurants here. But guys, the hotel is under extreme construction, extreme renovation. And this was the hotel I love to come to before the shutdown, because I used to come to Miami all the time and stay here. So I knew this hotel like the back of my hand, but everything is shut down. The restaurant ain't, it's just, I'm not gonna vlog it. I'm not gonna vlog the whole hotel today, but I will show you all the fitness center, and I'm gonna show you my room, because I told you to put me on the 31st floor, y'all. They upgraded me for you guys. So the renovations should be done by December 2022. So in just a few months. So hopefully, I come back to Miami in December, so hopefully I'll be able to stay here again and show you all the final process, because it's really a nice hotel, and it's right by where the cruise ships dock. I'm trying to find it. I can't point it out. It's gonna take too long. But anyway, let's get into this fitness center tour, room tour, and yeah, let's take you with me on my day. Okay guys, I gotta get one of these mirrors for my house. I love it. It is awesome. Anyway, this is our outfit. We're just gonna venture out. It is hot and humid, so get into it. I am not trying to wear a whole lot of clothes right now. But anyway, let's see where we end up today. See, man, this is why you come to Miami. This is like right outside the hotel, and they normally have like a cute sit down area, but again, all that is under construction. And where I just came out of, I'm gonna take you guys back in there, but it's a whole little shopping complex. They got like a sneaker shop, it's a barber shop in there. Like, it's so dope. I love Miami, man. Okay guys, I know you're like, why are you not in the middle of the shop? I'm trying to get the ambiance, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get it both at the same time. So I came to this spot called Casablanca on the Bay, and let me just open with The red sangria here is amazing. It's right next door to my hotel, the Marriott Biscayne Bay. But like I said, everything is shut down. So I came to the Doubletree Hilton, which is right next door, and that's where this restaurant is located. And the sangria, fire, okay? It's a seafood spot. I've never been here before. Why is this dude talking so loud on the phone? I cannot stand it. So anyway, I'm trying the Miami Spice lunch. For $28, you can pick everything. It's a little bit pricey, you know, the regular stuff, but I'm gonna do the lunch. So you can choose, for the appetizer, you can choose between the grouper chowder, the crispy or grilled calamari, or the seafood ceviche. I'm gonna do the crispy calamari, and you can pick for your entree either salmon, paella, Casablanca, ravioli with shrimp, or the lomo saltado. And I'm gonna pick the salmon. Comes with, it's pan-seared, honey Dijon glaze, garlic mashed potatoes, and steamed broccoli. And then you can pick 2 desserts, either key lime pie or flan. I'm gonna get the key lime pie. So I didn't know this was gonna turn into a food video again. I said, who knows what's to come, you know? Thank you. Not yet. Give me about 5 minutes. Okay. And apparently you get fish dip when you come. So let's taste the fish dip together. But like I said, today was gonna be an adventure. I didn't know the hotel wasn't gonna be up to par, you know? Now that's damn good. Fish dip. It comes, it's like, you know how they bring you bread at the restaurant? This comes. So you don't have to order it, but the fish dip is fire. Let me get a little scoop. There's so many chips, I can't get to the dip. There's so many chips, I can't get to the dip. See that? And you have this beautiful view. It is, I'm trying to see where the ships pull in. I think it's somewhere, I should know this because I've been here so many times. I can't see it, but anyway, this place is dope. I like it. It's a beautiful day, and I'm just gonna chill and hang out, you know what I'm saying? I'll message you when the food, I'll hit you when the food comes. Course 1, we have the fried calamari, and I squeezed the fresh lime juice on it. I dip it in this garlic aioli sauce. So there it is, first bite. We're on an adventure, guys. That's some good calamari. I'm not even a person that orders calamari when they go out to eat, because I feel like everybody gets calamari. But that's good. It's really fresh. And the batter is so light, but has that perfect amount of crisp to it. The garlic aioli sauce, oh my God, this is fantastic. This might be some of the best calamari I have ever had. Okay guys, so I had to do a voiceover for this part, so because I was talking really low because I wasn't trying to disturb other tables, but the salmon was really, really good. I'm talking about how it was cooked perfectly. Like, I think every time I've had salmon, it's been cooked, like overcooked, because this just melted in my mouth. This honey glazed sauce that came on it, oh my gosh, guys. It tasted like that fresh salmon that comes in your sushi roll. It was perfection. Some of the freshest seafood I've ever had. And all of the vegetables, the carrots. You know how you get carrots from a restaurant and like sometimes the carrots are like not cooked all the way and they're really, really hard to chew? These carrots were cooked perfectly. They were so tender. The green beans were seasoned to perfection. The potatoes were not underdone. Like, this was a really good meal, and I loved the portion size. Like, I felt stuffed after eating all of this. I didn't know how I was gonna have room for dessert, but I did. Okay, now we're at the final course dessert, the key lime pie. And it was really, really good. I didn't like those yellow sticks on the side, but everything else was phenomenal. The crust was so flaky and the pie was so smooth, and everything was just really, really, really good. I'm not a sweets person, but right here I'm like, damn. You know, like it was really, really good. I enjoyed it. I mean, y'all, this place is dope. I'm just walking home from walking home, walking back to my hotel. But it's all kind of shops, sneaker shops. There's a pharmacy over here. There's a nail salon, eyebrow place, microblading, a juice bar. Like, this place is super duper cute. And then we just bust this left right here, and it's gonna take us back over to the Marriott Biscayne Bay. Who knew? Stayed at this hotel for years, and I never came over here. Oh my God, I forgot how humid it is. So look, this is the Marriott entrance right here. And then this is called the Brand Retail. And it's literally right next door to my hotel. So I don't have to walk down the block. I don't have to do anything. We're right here. Dope, right? So I'm gonna close the video out here. I don't want it to be too long. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to hold y'all for too long. But I hope you've enjoyed today. See, we're back. We're back. I hope you've enjoyed today's life in Miami. No, I don't really go to South Beach because I don't like going to like heavily populated places by myself. You know what I'm saying? So I like to stay close to my hotel. But this would normally be where you would check in, the front desk. But like I said, everything is under construction. See that? Everything is under construction and won't be ready until December of 2022. But it was nice before they renovated, so who knows what all they're gonna do. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this day. Thank you for spending it with me. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. I will see you all on embarkation day in the next video as we head to the freedom of the seas, baby. See that? Look at that. Construction. This used to be the entrance to the restaurant. Closed off, construction. But I hope we come back in December. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. I love you.
The lady still thanks you for watching.